This is a 2021 Bayliner VR4. Comes with the trailer with a swing tongue, one owner boat, only used one season. Large swim platform with the mat. .200 horsepower Mercruiser. Nice walk-through space coming from the swim platform with a full sun pad. Convenient seating. This is dual captain's chairs, both with bolster seats. Ski locker, stepping up to the helm. Stereo with Bluetooth. All your gauges, trim, fuel, tack, speedometer. This bow rider is rated for 7 people with your side controls. Walk-through windshield, cup holders everywhere. Large bow seating and speakers. Great starter boat or family boat. More cup holders in the rear and along the captain's chair. Storage under the passenger helm. Convenient glove box. Does come with bow covers and cockpit covers. USB chargers. Bimini with Bimini boot. This is a 2021 Bayliner VR4.